We need to talk about XRP and cryptocurrencies. There is a massive move in the crypto market that is about to take place, and you do not want to miss it, nor do you want to be misinformed. You really need to know the truth of what is happening in the crypto market, especially for XRP. And this video does apply for any cryptocurrency. We're going to be taking a look at the crypto market. Today, the Fed, for the very first time in many months, paused cutting rates. And in the short term, that is kind of bearish. They did also mention in the Fed minutes a few things about crypto that's quite bullish. We're going to get into it. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And most importantly, that you stick around to the end of this video. You cannot miss what we have in store for you today. So something Jerome Powell said today in the FOMC press conference is that banks are perfectly able to serve crypto customers as long as they manage risk. In addition, he also said it would be helpful to have greater clarity apparatus around crypto. So this is very bullish that the banks are going to start adopting cryptocurrencies, and they're going to start allowing their clients in a very easy manner, simple manner, outside of ETFs, to have access to crypto. So that is extremely bullish. They did also pause rates today. So we're going to talk about what this means as they pause interest rates by cutting rates. And we need to take a look at the crypto market right now. So specifically, what we are seeing is that XRP is moving lower. The highs are getting lower, ladies and gentlemen. And we did have this bull flag that we broke out of, and we are rejecting so far the previous resistance or support. So it looks like XRP could end up getting that correction to around $2.60. This is what I think is going to happen. We could even go as low as $2.19. You're going to say, wow, that sounds absolutely impossible. That's not going to happen. But it could happen if Bitcoin ends up continuing to reject here, moving lower. The market is very choppy, up and down, but we are, if you look at the highs and you also look at the lows, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving higher lows. We are also moving in lower lows. And if you take a look at the volume, which is a very important metric to understand how bullish or bearish things truly are, you can see very clearly here that ever since we hit all-time high, the volume is moving lower and lower and lower. And when volume gets low, typically that means the end of a bullish trend in the short term. So this means that Bitcoin could pull back to that level, which we've been talking about for a while, of around $88,000. We might come back, test this support in the next couple of weeks. This could take place. But this is just a short-term thing. And I think Bitcoin is going to get one big correction before the next pump in the crypto market. So if Bitcoin corrects, that means XRP is going to correct to some low levels, maybe 260, 250. And there are, again, those lower levels that I just mentioned minutes ago. That could be a possibility if Bitcoin ends up correcting. The other scenario is Bitcoin keeps pushing up and moving up higher and trending up higher, making a move up to 120K. If that were to happen, XRP would obviously break out. We would probably see 370, maybe up to $4 with this next breakout for cryptos. But Trump has also made some comments today regarding the Fed and what they are doing by cutting rates. He mentioned that the Fed is actually causing inflation to be very high with some of the things that they are doing. And Trump is doing everything in his power to bring inflation down, which if he does so, and he's probably most likely going to do so, that is going to cause the Fed to pivot and start cutting rates aggressively depending on how fast inflation comes down. And all of this could take place by Trump imposing tariffs in all these countries and implementing these policies with tariffs regarding other countries. These are just some ways to lower inflation. Because guess what? Now that they're going to be opening up drilling and all these other things, gas prices are going to be coming down. You also are going to have housing coming down. Everything is going to be coming down with inflation, and that's going to bring inflation down. And when inflation is down, the Fed is going to be cutting rates. But I think Trump is going to do something special with the Fed and cause them to cut rates very soon. And if that were to happen, that would surprise the market and it would pump massively. When the Fed starts to cut rates again and they start mentioning they're going to be cutting rates, this is when the crypto market is going to start taking off like crazy because it's going to inject so much liquidity into the market. And until that time, the market is going to be chopping around a bit, waiting for that extra liquidity to come into the market. Now, make sure you are in my Patreon so you can follow all of my signals, my leverage signals, meme coin signals. You do not want to miss these trades. We are making thousands of dollars every single week where you guys can copy all of my exact moves in the market. And on meme coins, you will have the first pick. Make sure you guys are also trading on Blowfin. You can get up to a $100,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link. There are certain requirements to that. Some 10,000, some 1,000, but you can get up to 100,000 by signing up with my link below. But this is the platform where you're going to want to be trading your crypto because the fees are 100 times cheaper than Coinbase or any platform you are using. And this is very important, especially if you want to be getting in and out of positions in trading. You also want to be using my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. This thing you guys can try today for $1. It will literally tell you exactly when to buy and sell visually on a chart. I recommend you use the 1 hour time frame. You will need a free TradingView account. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Twitter. Make sure you are subscribed with notifications on so you do not miss my next video, and I'll see you later.